What is up, guys? Doing a quick video at the end of March 30th, 2023. Just doing a quick update on our lot, on the projects we got going on, the cars we got up for sale, and the cars that are up and coming. We'll start with this 2003 Toyota 4Runner. This thing is a beast. We lifted it. It's got TRD wheels. It's got a custom lunar paint job, lunar rock, which is off a 2021 Toyota 4Runner. HID lights. It's got this crazy bumper. Custom all the way through. Runs and drives solid. And we got this 91 Land Cruiser. It's only got about 168,000 miles. No rust, no rot. All these cars are on our website, getallcars.com, or you can go on bobevansclassics.com. It's got new tires, runs and drives very well. Then we got this Bronco 2, 1988. It's clean, no rot, no rust. Another one that is just get in and drive. Good paint on it. Transmission was rebuilt. And we got this International pickup truck, 1951. It is on a 97 Chevy S10 frame. It's got a 350 in it. Runs and drives like a newer truck. Performs well. It's a cool resto mod. Pretty good shape. We got an 89 Toyota SR5 pickup truck. Truck's been completely redone. It's clean again, no rot, no rust. This frame is impeccable. It's super clean. Manual transmission, 4-cylinder. It's the legendary 22 RE engine. These trucks are actually up and coming collector trucks. I see the values appreciating more and more, especially clean ones with no rot, no rust. Ones that are all done up, they're getting a premium, and they're only going to continue to climb. Guys in my age, you know, we grew up around this era, and we've seen these trucks, and we wanted these trucks, but we were young. Now we can actually afford and buy them, and Toyota guys want these trucks. And we got the 69 GMC. It's got a 350 in it. It runs, it drives, but it is a project. It's got some rust, a little bit of rot on the dog leg. You open up the door. A little bit there. But it's a solid Home Depot truck. You know, take it to Home Depot, go to Lowe's with it, haul stuff. Not a perfect truck by any means, but it's a solid, cheap truck. I think we got this listed for $5,500. We got a 66 Mustang, 3-speed, manual transmission, 289 V8. Typical Mustang for us. We do a lot of these. It's really, really hard to stock them. When we get them, they're gone. This one is not going to last long. And then we have this 73 Fastback. It's a Mach 1 Tribute. It's a solid driver. Runs good. And check this out. 63 Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe with a 260 V8. It's a solid driver. It's a pretty rare car. Black on black. It's got AC. It's well optioned. Power steering. And we move on to this 79 Corvette. This is a nice driver. And also 78 25th anniversary. It's got a 350 Jasper in it, about 350 horsepower. This thing is fast. They're both solid Corvettes. Good bones on both of them. And we got a Project Mustang here, inline 6. Runs and drives. got no body rot or anything, but needs interior work. Got this 88 Trans Am with a 350 in it, GTA. This one's another solid car, runs and drives good. It's not a show car, but it's a solid driver, and it looks good. Got a couple flaws. Check out the full video for it. And then up and coming, we have this Torino here, 71. It's got a 351 in it, 4-speed transmission. It's a GT. Needs a good detail. We got a little bit of work left to get done to it. It drives good, but it's got a slight miss. I think we're gonna put a distributor on it. We got this Mustang here. It's a 67 we bought out in Michigan. The whole car's been redone. We did not do the interior work or the undercarriage work, but it was already done. We did do the body work to it. We put a we rebuilt the transmission, complete rebuild, freshened up the engine, full tune-up, and it now runs and drives very well. So we're gonna send this out to paint. This should be done in a couple weeks. And then further down the line, we got a 67 GTO. That's gonna be next to get some body work done to it, just to get it ready for paint and then reassembled. Let's see what else we got. Regular car wise, we got this Hummer coming up, this H2. This is a client of mine, we bought off of him. We got a Honda Accord with, like, it was an elderly guy's car. It's got 31,000 miles on it. It's an 06. We usually don't buy newer cars like this, but the guy traded in, he bought a classic car off of us. And then we got this Buick with a little bit of front end damage, but this one's sold already. And also got this 85 E30 BMW coming up. We gotta do a little bit to the suspension. And we got this Toyota Sequoia coming up next. That's it, guys. We ain't got a whole lot of inventory. We usually stack 30 to 40 cars, but we're down right now. If you got a classic car you want to sell, give us a call, 215-805-3100. We're always buying. We need cars. It's hard for us to stack this lot. We sell out. Just wanted to give you guys an update from Bob Evans Classics at Cash for Cars. If you have any questions for us, give us a call. Go on our website. Later.
Thank you.